Welcome guys. This is our new lecture about thermodynamics for GPSC RTO class 2 and 3. So this is our lecture number 5th and we are going to talking about work done for closed system. This is part 1 and we also have the PDF for it. For PDF you have to follow me on this Telegram channel. Okay, so we will. So guys, today's topic is work done for closed system. Okay, so what is closed system? Closed system is that which allow only flow of energy. Okay, mass flow is prohibited. There is no flow of mass, and we will study its work done. Okay, so first one is reversible constant volume process. What is reversible constant volume process? Constant volume process means there is no change in volume. Okay, if any process is constant volume process, then it is also called as isochoric process. Get it guys? It is also called isochoric process. Okay, so we know that our first law of thermodynamics for a process we already derive about it, and it is dq is equal to dw. Okay guys, you get it? Now dq is equal to du plus pdv. We can write dw as pdv. Okay, this pdv work, this for closed system. Now what is given that our process is constant volume process, so dv equals to 0. So dv equals to 0, then dq become equals to du. Okay, dq is equals to du. Then what happen if we integrate this? So what we get, integrate from dq1 to 2 is equal to, we are integrating from du1 to 2. We know that du is equal to cv dt. So we are putting the value of cv dt, and what we get here, dq is equal to inexact differential. So we write as q1 to 2, but cv dt, here t is exact differential, so we write as t2 minus tt, t2 minus t1. Okay, so it is q1 to 2 is equal to cv t2 minus t1, and we already know that w is equal to p into dv. Okay, here dv is equal to 0, so work done is 0. Okay guys, so what we get here, for and constant volume process dq, okay, heat transfer is equals to cv t2 minus t1. Okay, it is change in internal energy, and work done is 0. Okay, now we can understand this one from our process, our pressure volume diagram. Okay, so our what here, volume is constant, so the process is occur from 1 to 2. Okay, it is straight line. We know that the area under PV diagram is give us work. Here there is line, and area under this line is 0, so we getting work is equal to 0. So here work is also 0. Okay, now there is another one process, and we are going for it. That one is reversible constant pressure process. It is constant pressure process. If any process pressure is constant, then it is called isobaric. Okay, what is it? Is called isobaric process. As we know that for a process, our first law of thermodynamics is equal to dq is equal to du plus dw. Okay, we know that. Now dq is equal to du plus pdv. This is also, we know that dw is equal to pdv. We already know that du is equal to cv dt and pdv is same here. Okay, now we also know that cv dt is equal to pdv is equal to r dt. How pdv become r dt? Here there is explanation about it. See that pv is equal to mrt. Okay, pv is equal to mrt. Then pv is equal to rt. We taking m is equal to 1. pdv is equal to r dt. Okay, now we get here that pdv is equal to r dt. Okay, now we get cv plus r. Okay, and dt is constant, so we also know that cp minus cv is equal to r. Then cp is equal to cv plus r. So if we write here cv plus r is equal to cp. Okay, and we integrate it. We are going to integrate it. Then what happen? We get integrate from 1 to 2. Then we also integrate cp dt from 1 to 2. Then we write heat is in exact differential. We write again it q1 to 2 and cp t2 minus t1. Okay, now what is work done from 1 to 2? It is constant pressure process, so p comes outside the integration and we integrate dv from 1 to 2. Then what is work done from 1 to 2? It is p v2 minus v1. For constant pressure process or for isobaric process, the heat transfer is equals to q1 to 2 is equal to cp t2 minus t1, and another one, work transfer is equal to w1 to 2 p v2 minus v1. This both equation is very important. Okay, kept in mind. Okay, so now we understand this phenomena through PV diagram. Okay, what PV diagram says about it? Let's see here. There is pressure and volume diagram. Okay, here pressure is constant, so at point 1 pressure is p1, at point 2 pressure is 2. Okay, but here p1 is equal to p2, but volume is changed from v1 to v2. Okay, so we get this area. We know that this is the work done from 1 to 2, as we already know that the area under PV diagram is work done from process 1 to 2. Okay,